Bruno, you cold? You cold? Why are you crying? You don't need to cry. He's just putting gas. Silly. See, I told you. Are we going in the car wash? You've been here before, right? You'll be all right. Be a brave boy, big boy. It's okay. It's all right. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay, Bruno. All done. Good boy. Here, Bruno. Oops. Here, Bruno. Good boy. Good job. All good. Good boy, Bruno. Good job. You did it.
Agua, señora.
Now we're just going to dry it, okay? And then we're all done. Then we can go home. Yes. Who is that? Is that Daddy? Is that Daddy? He's just drying it. Yeah, that's it. It's all good, baby. Yeah, it's all good. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye, Bruno. Bye-bye.